flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Impact, life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Laughlin, Needles, Highway 95 and I-40 and Mojave Valley. This includes the following roads: Highway 95 in San Bernardino County between mile markers 58 and 79. Interstate 40 in California between mile markers 115 and 139. These are the 3 a.m.